Have you ever wanted to build your own website or app, but felt totally lost when you saw all that scary code? Like HTML, CSS, JavaScript? Yeah, same here. But what if I told you there's a new tool that can do it all for you, just by using simple words? Let me introduce you to something awesome. AppLLM by Abacus AI. It's like your smart tech buddy who builds websites while you chill. You don't need to write a single line of code. No confusing stuff. Just type what you want and boom, it's ready. Imagine this. You say, build me a landing page for my new book club. And within seconds, AppLLM starts creating a real working website. You can even see it happening in real time. The colors, the text, the pictures, everything gets done without you lifting a finger. This magic is called vibe coding. It means you tell the AI what kind of vibe or mood you want your site to have. Fun, clean, serious, colorful, and AppLLM gets it done. It's like talking to a friend who just happens to be a genius web designer. Now, this tool is made for people who aren't tech experts. If you own a small business or you just have an idea for an app or site, this is perfect for you. Want to make a simple landing page? Go for it. Want to try building your first app? No worries. AppLLM's got your back. And here's the best part. It's part of the Abacus AI family, which also includes ChatLLM and CodeLLM. You get all three with one subscription for just $10 a month. That's like the price of a burger meal, but instead, you're getting an entire toolbox to build your online dream. Let's say you build something and later think, I like the older version better. No problem. AppLLM has a versioning system. It keeps the last 5 versions saved so you can go back anytime. You can even make edits using plain English. Say, add a sign-up form, and it does it. Or change the color to light blue, and it listens. If you mess something up, AppLLM can fix it too. Just tell it the problem, and it will handle it like a pro. One time, someone typed just 2 words. Photo editor. AppLLM built a working photo editor in seconds. Then they typed, add more features, and the AI added filters, stickers, text tools, and even a download button. It was like watching a robot designer come to life. Pretty wild, right? So what makes a PLLM different from tools like ChatGPT? Well, ChatGPT is great at chatting, answering questions, writing essays, or helping with homework. But a PLLM goes further. It builds real, working websites and apps, ones you can actually click, use, and even share with your friends. Once you're happy with what AppLLM creates, you just hit a button called Deploy. This means your app goes live on the internet. AppLLM gives you a special link, and anyone can visit your app through that link. You don't need to set up a server or buy hosting. It's all done for you. And don't worry, you can still edit your app even after it's live. There's a draft mode, where you can play around, make changes, and once you're happy again, just redeploy it. Super simple. Now, here's another cool thing. If you're someone who wants to learn a bit of coding slowly, AppLLM can help with that too. Every time you give it a prompt like, add a contact form, you can see the actual code it writes. This way, you learn how code works just by watching. You don't need to be a pro. It's like learning by doing, but with training wheels. But wait, there's more. Let's say you're working on a big idea for your business, and you want to make a fancy website. You can start in ChatLLM to brainstorm the design, text, or layout. Then, you move to AppLLM to actually build the site. If you're more technical, you can even hop into CodeLLM to fine-tune stuff. It's like having a whole team of AI helpers working together. One of the best examples I saw was someone who typed, build me a financial tracker. And just like that, AppLLM created a dashboard where you could track your stock portfolio, add transactions, and even view charts. All from just a single idea and a few follow-up messages. And guess what? If something breaks or doesn't work as expected, you can copy the error message and paste it right into the chat. AppLLM reads it, understands what went wrong, and fixes it. Like a smart friend who never panics, even when you break things. Now, let's talk about the limits. On the basic plan, you can make up to 5 different apps and do 2 deployments per app. Each time you create something, it uses what they call compute points. If you run out, you can just buy more. But honestly, for most people, 5 apps are more than enough to get started and explore. The idea of vibe coding is super fun. You don't need to know techie words. You just explain what you want, like make a site for my cat-themed bakery, and let the AI handle the hard stuff. Then, tweak it however you want, or keep giving more prompts until it looks just right. AppLLM is still in beta, which means it's not 100% complete yet. Right now, you can't connect a database or use custom domains, but those features are coming soon. That means someday soon, you'll be able to add things like user logins, payment options, and even mobile app support. So, why are people saying AppLLM is the real king of vibe coding? Because it makes building websites feel easy, fun, and fast, even if you've never written code before in your life. You don't need to hire a developer. You don't need to spend weeks learning web design. Just open AppLLM, type what's in your mind, and the magic begins. And don't forget, this isn't just for fun projects. If you run a small business, AppLLM can help you build a real landing page to show off your brand. Let's say you're opening a dog grooming shop. You can ask a PLLM to create a website with pictures, services, and even a contact form. Then you share the link with your customers. That's real business power for just $10 a month. Now, here's a fun trick. If you want to add more pages like About Us or Gallery, you don't need to know how to build it. Just say, add an About Us page with some text about our team, and a PLLM makes it happen. You can then say, change the colors to blue and gold, and boom, it updates the whole site. You can go step by step, making small changes like add a button that says join now, change the font to something fancy, add an image of a smiling dog. It listens and updates everything right away. This way, you stay in control. You get to guide the vibe while the AI does the hard work. One more cool part, you can revert your work. So, if you add too many things and your site looks messy, just go back to an older version. AppLLM saves up to 5 past versions, like a time machine for your website. Super helpful if you're trying out different looks and ideas. And when you're finally happy, you press deploy, and your site goes live. People can visit it through a link like yourapp.abacusai.app. Pretty slick, right? Even though it's still in beta, AppLLM has already surprised a lot of people. One person created a photo editor using just a few words. Another built a book club site with sign-up forms and multiple pages. You don't need a team of coders anymore. You just need a good idea and AppLLM. Also, if you want to take things further, you can use ChatLLM to generate ideas or content, and Code LLM to tweak the backend. Together, it's like having a full AI-powered team in your pocket. So, whether you're starting a business, building a fun project, or just curious about AI, AppLLM is the tool to try. That's it for today's video. If you like this walkthrough and learned something new, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech made simple. Thanks for watching, and remember, with tools like AppLLM, anyone can be a coder now, even without knowing how to code. See you in the next one.